Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Statuspage by Atlassian for server status updates, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Statuspage by Atlassian for server status updates, begin by visiting the Statuspage website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to a sign up page. Fill out the required fields with your email address and a password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Atlassian. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Statuspage interface. You will now need to log in using the email and password you just set. Once logged in, look for the option to create a new page. Click on Create a Status Page to start configuring your page. Select the template that best fits your organization's needs. Fill in your organization's name and description. Choose a URL for your status page. Select your region for optimal server performance. Configuring your page settings is crucial. Next, set up your incident categories and metrics. Add components related to your services, such as servers or applications. Make sure to add a status for each component, like operational or degraded. Now focus on the appearance of your status page. Customize your branding by adding a logo and adjusting the color scheme. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, navigate to the Settings menu to configure notification options. You may also want to enable webhooks for integration with other services. Invite team members or stakeholders who need access to the page. After all configurations are completed, review your status page settings. If everything is correct, click the Publish button to make your page live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.